Yeah, we're having a little bit of a connection issue. It seems like there, Dr. Clover Hall. You're freezing just a little bit.
Ooh, okay.
All right, but it
Better?
looks like we're good. It looks like we're good to go. So let
Okay.
everybody know about the Independence Ball and Scholarship Awards, which is going to be happening on the 9th of August. So tell everybody about that event. It's
Okay, so this is like a there have been many events so far for independence. We had a cultural program for Emancipation Day. There was a street dancing and a service yesterday. But the signature event is the Independence Ball and Scholarship Awards. And this is really sponsored by the Atlanta Jamaican Association and the AJ Cultural and Educational Fund. It's going to be at the Atlanta Marriott Marquis, a beautiful, beautiful hotel in Atlanta on Peachtree Center Avenue. And you were talking earlier, you mentioned about Marcus Garvey. And every year we try to focus on something that's really significant. In addition to having the scholarship awards, other presidents awards, a lot of dancing, etc.